In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Canva video in high quality. Whether you're creating social media content, a presentation, or a video ad, exporting it correctly is really important so it looks sharp and professional wherever you share it. Let's start from the point where you've already finished editing your design in Canva and you're happy with how everything looks. Your timeline is set, your text and images are in place, and you're ready to export. First, look towards the top right corner of the Canva interface. You'll see a button usually labeled Share. This is the main place where Canva keeps all the options for exporting and collaborating. Go ahead and click on that Share button. Even though it says Share, this is also where you'll find the options to download your video to your computer or device. Once the Share menu opens, you'll see several different choices, such as sharing a link, inviting others, or posting directly to social platforms. For this tutorial, we're only interested in preparing a download. In that same panel, find the option that refers to the file settings. Look for where it mentions file type. This is where you tell Canva what kind of file you want to export. Click on the file type option. A list of formats will appear, and you'll see things like PNG, JPG, PDF, and so on. Because we're working with video, we want to choose a video format that's widely compatible and high quality. From that list, select MP4. MP4 is the standard video format that works on most devices, websites, and social platforms, and it gives you a great balance between quality and file size. After you've selected MP4 as the file type, Canva will usually show additional settings related to the video. Here is where you can adjust the quality. Look for the quality slider or drop down and move it or set it to the highest option available. This might be labeled as high, 1080p or something similar depending on the design and your Canva plan. Choosing the highest quality ensures your video looks crisp, with clear text and smooth visuals. When everything is set to MP4 and the quality is at its maximum, you're ready to download. Double check your settings quickly, then click the download button. Canva will process your design, which may take a little time depending on how long and complex your video is. Once it's done, the file will be saved to your device in high quality, ready for you to upload, share, or play anywhere you like.